guys, me and my dad just got into a really bad accident. I did that to my foot, and I almost broke it, and my dad broke his arm, his right leg really bad. I feel like such a baby because I'm crying, but it's been a really hard day, so please pray for my dad. April Fools! I know that was like really lame, but I had to do something, right? Even though it's a day late. I'm gonna have to like fix my hair real quick, so whoops. Get my tripod to stand up, and Jesus Christ. Okay, I know it's kind of slanted. But yeah. Everything's okay. My dad's not hurt, I'm not hurt. You guys ever watch our videos anyway, so make my hair look a little better by putting it to the side. But my friend Angie was texting me today and asked me, would you rather? Which was, would you rather eat a bottle of Dial soap or acne? I said acne because you'd probably get sick from the soap more than you would from the acne. But what would you guys do? And there's two questions. Would you rather eat Dial soap or acne? The whole bottle of each, or one of them. Or would you rather, or what's your best April Fool's joke? My kitty has to say something too. Sucks. April Fool's, guys. That was really lame. But he's whoa. He looked really evil. But yeah, anyways, leave me a comment, please. For once. Really ugly face. Oh, he has like the killer stare at night. Dun dun. Okay, I'm gonna go now, guys. Out. Thanks.